Connecting your 4K TV to a cable box is a straightforward process that primarily uses HDMI cables. Today, we'll walk through each step to ensure you get the best 4K viewing experience. First, ensure both your TV and cable box support 4K resolution. HDMI 2.1 is the current gold standard, supporting 4K at 120 Hz and even 8K content. However, HDMI 2.0 also supports 4K at 60 Hz, which is sufficient for most cable content. Use a premium high-speed HDMI cable for optimal performance. These cables are certified to handle 4K HDR content with at least 18 gigabits per second bandwidth. Look for the premium certification label and gold-plated connectors for the best signal quality. Before making any connections, power off both your TV and cable box. This prevents any potential damage from electrical surges and ensures a clean connection process. Connect the HDMI cable to the designated 4K ports on both devices. Look for ports labeled HDMI 4K, HDMI UHD, HDMI 2.0, 2.1. On many TVs, HDMI port 1 is the main 4K capable port. Power on the cable box first, then the TV. This sequence allows the TV to properly detect the cable box signal. Wait a few minutes for automatic detection to complete. Most modern devices will configure themselves automatically. Finally, verify the 4K output in your cable box settings menu. Check that the resolution is set to 3840 by 2160 pixels. HDR mode is enabled if available, and the refresh rate is at 60 Hz or higher. Your setup is now complete and ready for 4K viewing. When your 4K connection isn't working properly, start with the most common culprit, cable quality. Many connection issues stem from using standard HDMI cables that can't handle 4K bandwidth requirements. Next, verify you're using the correct HDMI ports. Not all HDMI ports on your TV support 4K resolution. Look for ports labeled as HDMI 2.0, HDMI 2.1, or specifically marked for 4K content. If automatic detection fails, you'll need to manually adjust the resolution settings. Access your cable box settings menu and look for display or video output options to configure 4K resolution manually. Outdated firmware is a common cause of 4K connection problems. Both your TV and cable box need the latest software updates to ensure proper 4K compatibility and feature support. Some older cable boxes are limited to 4K at 30 Hz, which may cause compatibility issues with newer TVs and content. If your cable box is more than 3 years old, contact your provider about a free hardware upgrade to a newer model with full 4K support. For complex home theater setups or persistent connection problems, consider professional installation. Certified technicians can ensure optimal 4K performance, proper HDCP compatibility, and resolve any advanced configuration issues. Remember, most 4K connection issues can be resolved by checking cable quality, using the correct ports, updating firmware, and adjusting settings manually. When in doubt, your cable provider's technical support can guide you through device-specific troubleshooting steps.